Working with pages on your website is actually quite easy. To add a new page, you simply go to the upper left-hand corner of your site underneath Page Functions, and you click Add. When you do this, you have the Page Details interface that comes up here, and we just give the page a name. So in this case, let's call it Resources. And we don't need to give it a title, a description, or keywords, but you can if you want. Again, those are for search engines. If we wanted it to be a sub-page of one of our other pages, we could choose the other pages from this list. In this case, we want it to be a top nav page, so we'll leave it at none specified. Do we want to include it in the menu? Do we want it to show up in our navigation menu? In this case, yes, we do. So we'll leave that checked. Now we want the permissions. This is basically saying who you want to be able to view the page and who you want to be able to edit the page. Most typically, when you're going to create a new page, you're going to want everyone to be able to see it. So you're going to click the box next to All Users underneath View Page. And you're only going to want administrators to be able to edit it. So you leave that box checked. Administrators can edit it and all users can see it. Now we'll scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that there's this advanced settings option. And if we open that up, we'll see that we can actually set a page skin and a page container for just this page. So right now the site-wide skin and container that's set is called Grunge Wall, but instead if we wanted Greenleaf on this particular page instead of the Grunge Wall, we would simply add a page and we'd put Greenleaf, let me find the container that matches, Greenleaf as the page skin and container. Now we'll scroll down a little more. There is this disabled button, and I'll talk about that in the next tutorial, but I'll explain what that is in a little bit. Now if you want to turn this page, instead of it actually being a page on your website, if you wanted it to be a link to another website, you could do that here. So when someone clicks on that tab, it would take them away from your site. When you get that set how you want, you simply click Update, and you've added a page. And you'll notice that it's now got the Greenleaf look. You've got this Greenleaf banner. It says Main Street Church up there. You've got a horizontal navigation menu, and you see that Resources shows up in our list here, and we're now looking at the Resources page. Now whenever you add a new page, it puts automatically an empty text module on that page for you. If you didn't want that text module there, you could simply roll over the blue drop-down arrow and choose Delete, and it would be gone. So that's how you add a page.